The demands on power distribution units are very individual. With the Type 4750, SCHURTER launches appliance socket strips with maximum flexibility and in an unprecedented variety of versions. Cord retention is an indispensable requirement in today's data center world. The Type 4750 supports all common systems, top and side latching. Many terminals can be selected: PCB, solder, or quick connect. Thanks to hardwired bus variants, the wiring effort can be minimized, a cost-effective way. In complex power distribution systems, the visualization of the status is of great importance. Type 4750 offers light pipes at all possible positions of the outlet. Color codes help to keep track of outlets in three-phase systems. The distribution strip 4750 is therefore available in white, black or gray. The number of outlets per strip block varies between 2 and 7. SCHURTER. Safe and easy.